Here are two of the best stocks to buy right now. One's already up over 1,000%. The other just surged 90%. And smart money is still betting big, so you still have time to jump in. But here's the crazy part. Most investors completely missed out on the initial rise. Why? Because these aren't your typical meme stocks or social media hype plays. These are picks backed by serious data, and they've been quietly outperforming the market while everyone else chases the next big thing. But don't worry, you're not too late. Because today, we're breaking down exactly why these stocks are on fire and whether they still have room to run. Let's get into it. Today, we're diving into how hedge funds and elite investors find stocks before they explode, and how you can do the same. You ever notice how the rich always seem to know what to buy before the rest of us? That's called the smart money concept. These guys, hedge funds, institutions, billionaires, don't buy when a stock is already in the headlines. They buy before the hype. The top 10% of investors control over 90% of all stock market gains. How do they do it? One word: data. They use premium research, algo-driven stock picks, and quant ratings that predict momentum before retail investors even notice. That's where Alpha Picks comes in. Powered by Seeking Alpha, one of the most trusted investment research platforms, this service is designed to track stocks with that smart money DNA, fundamentals, momentum, and future upside. And guess what? It just nailed two massive winners. Quick disclaimer, this isn't financial advice. The stocks we're about to discuss come from a top-tier investment research service that follows a strict, data-driven strategy. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. AppLovin is a mobile ad tech giant, and unless you live under a rock, you've probably seen its work. Ever get bombarded by those addictive mobile game ads? That's AppLovin pulling the strings. But here's the key. This isn't just some ad company. AppLovin uses AI-powered algorithms to help game developers target the players most likely to spend money inside their apps. The better their targeting, the more developers pay them. The result? Profits up 250% in a single year. And their latest earnings report didn't just beat expectations, it obliterated them, and smart money noticed. Institutions and hedge funds have been loading up on AppLovin, not selling. That's a sign that the biggest players still see room for growth. This is why smart money buys early. Next, Twilio, another stock smart money saw before the crowd, and it just surged 90% after a massive strategy shift. You might not recognize Twilio, but I guarantee you've used it. Ever get a text from Uber, Airbnb, or your bank confirming a booking or a security code? That's Twilio's technology. Twilio provides the back-end messaging infrastructure for some of the biggest companies in the world. Every automated text, call, or notification you receive, Twilio gets a cut. But here's where things get interesting. Twilio was struggling, tech stocks were bleeding, and investors were losing confidence. Then, they made a game-changing pivot. They shifted focus to profitability, announcing a plan to generate $3 billion in free cash flow over the next 3 years. That's a massive turnaround. The moment they announced it, boom, stock jumps 20% overnight. Investors rushed in, sending the stock up 90% since Alpha Picks first added it. So, here's the painful question. What if you had bought when Alpha Picks first recommended these? APP was picked at $9. Today, over $100. TWLO surged from $72 to $155, nearly doubling. That's the kind of move that turns a $5,000 investment into $50,000. And yet, most retail investors never see these plays early. So, are these stocks done? Not according to Alpha Picks. Both APP and TWLO are still in their portfolio, meaning the pros think there's more room to grow. We just broke down two of the best stocks the smart money is buying. But what if you could actually trade like them in real time? That's where Echo Trade comes in. This copy trading platform lets you match pro portfolios, see real-time trades, and invest like an expert. And here's the best part. You can start with a free trial. Link in the description. The question is, what's next? Alpha Picks drops 2 new strong buy stocks every month based on fundamentals and momentum, and we got an exclusive discount for you. Links in the description. Look, investing isn't about chasing hype. It's about getting ahead of the next big move. And that's exactly what smart money does. They don't gamble. They follow the data. They look for strong fundamentals, momentum, and long-term upside before the mainstream catches on. That's how they win. And the best part? You don't need insider connections to do the same. By tracking where the smart money is going, you can position yourself ahead of the curve. Subscribe to our channel for more high-impact investing insights. We break down real stock market shockers so you can stay ahead. And if you're serious about catching these moves early, check out Alpha Picks and Echo Trade below. If you want to stay ahead of the market and even stack some extra cash outside of investing, check out MoneysMyLife.com. It's your go-to source for stock market trends, exclusive bank bonuses, and smart money strategies to build real wealth. Links are in the description. Stay sharp.